Today we're cleaning some cartridge filters. How I clean cartridge filters is, this is how they look when they came out. Sprayed it down once. I use a cleaner from Biodex called cartridge cleaner. What I do is I spray down the first one and then I spray the cleaner on it. And it's yellow, so you can kind of see where it's at on there. What this does is it breaks up like you have like some calcium on there, oils from like lotions, shampoos, stuff like that. So I recommend using this. And then, so what I do is I spray it down, spray it with the cleaner, and then I go to the next one, spray it down, spray it with the cleaner, and I work my way through all of them. And then I come back to the first one I sprayed with the cleaner, and then I wash it off one more time. There's other filter cleaner products like this, but they foam up a little bit more, so I like this one. And I don't recommend using a pressure washer or anything like that to get it cleaner. Sometimes you'll have to use a pressure washer if you're at a house with low pressure, but that's the only scenario where you want to use a pressure washer, is if you're at a house with low pressure. Otherwise you end up damaging the material on the cartridge. And that's just how I do these filters. I'll take a little video at the end. Here's what the one looks like that I've already sprayed the cartridge cleaner on. If you like the small kind of degreaser. And then this is when I'm cleaning it off to spray it down. And as you're cleaning the other one, those ones are giving time to let the degreaser work and then break down what's better on it. That's why you kind of do it in a sequence. Wash it off, spray it with the soap, put it in the starting spot, and then do the other ones and then come back to the one you've already put the degreaser on. This is how it looks like after I've washed the cleaner off. The first rinse that you do before you put the cleaner on is really what you're cleaning the filter. The second one is just to break down any oil, calcium, anything like that that's on there. So it's like a degreaser oil. So that's how that one looks, and then these ones still need to be done. So usually you use about half the bottle of the stuff on one filter per cleaning, so the bottle lasts you for about 2 cleanings. Here they are all finished. I also sprayed out the inside of the tank, pulled out the drain plug because it's cartridge filter, all that stuff sits on there. Usually in a DE filter I just backwash whatever's left in there one more time after I break it all down.